Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If your air conditioner isn't cooling like it used to, or it smells a little funky, don't panic. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean your air conditioner by yourself at home, safely, easily, and with tools you already have. Let's get started. Before we touch anything, safety first. Always turn off the AC unit and unplug it from the wall. See all this dust? That is why your AC isn't cooling well and why your electricity bill is going up. Fresh, cool air again. And that's it. You've just cleaned your air conditioner like a pro. All by yourself. Try doing this every 2 to 3 months to keep it efficient and healthy. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.